Hi, in this video we will create simple background animation in Adobe After Effects. Create a new composition and rename it as Shapes. And this will be a box composition, so change the width and the height to 200 and the duration will be 4 seconds. With the help of the ellipse tool, draw an ellipse, Control Alt Home to center align it and disable fill. Enable the stroke and set the stroke size to and change the stroke size to 25. Now set it in the one corner and duplicate by pressing Ctrl D and select both and Ctrl D to duplicate them. Using glow effect and change the glow radius to 30. Copy this glow effect and paste on the other shape layers. Now here is the real twist. Select these diagonal ones, keyframe on the scale to 0 and on 1 second increase your size to 100. Select them, F9 to easy ease. I would suggest that change the scale to 10 instead of 0 like this. And then on 2 seconds change back to 20 and on 3 seconds back to 100 and then again back to 20. So you can see that they are animating in a looping position. Same we will do for these two layers, and they will start from 100 scaling and then they will go back to 20 and again to 100, 20. Select the keyframes, F9 to easy ease. Now create a new composition, rename it as Final Comp and change the width and height to 1920 into 1080. Create a new solid, name as background, use gradient ramp. So this will be our gradient ramp and now we will add our shapes layer to it. From effects and preset panel, use effect CC Reptile. Now we will expand the right to 4000, expand left 4500 and expand up and down to 5000. Decrease the scale a bit like this. What now we need to do is in the toggle switches enable the 3D layer and then create a camera layer. To control the position of the camera, we will add a new null object, enable 3D on this null, parent the camera to the null and in the position keyframe it and move it above like this. In the camera one, press R so that we can change the rotation, and also in null one we will rotate it on the x-axis and change the angle to 70. Also, while moving the camera, we will also rotate it on the x direction and also move the camera to 45 angle in the z direction. Use fill from effects and preset panel and change the color to so in this way you will have a very nice 3D background. I will be making more videos to create simple background animations in After Effects. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with others. Till then, I will see you in next video.